What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription and stop auto payments. First, it's important to note that you cannot cancel your subscription directly from the Netflix mobile app. Instead, you need to use a web browser. Open any browser on your device and go to netflix.com. From there, log in with your Netflix account credentials. After logging in, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your account overview page. On this page, switch to the Membership and Billing section and scroll down until you see the option to cancel membership. Tap on it, and Netflix will ask you to confirm your decision. Follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. Once confirmed, your subscription will be cancelled, but you can continue using Netflix until the end of your current billing cycle. If you ever decide to resubscribe, simply log back into your account and choose a plan. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.